everyone? Welcome to another episode of Model Car Memories. This time I'm just going to go through some of these vehicles that are kind of damaged beyond my skill set right now. So some of these have just been pushed off to the side, and it's like I can't find a lot of parts for them. So I'm going to start with this one right here. Looks like it was a custom kit. Actually, that one, the top's completely off, so I don't have any glass for it. I really don't know what it is because it's a complete custom job done on it. Kind of wondering if it's maybe a might have been a Ford Falcon or something like that. I'm not sure. If any of y'all have any ideas, let me know. There's nothing, nothing underneath it here. So gas tank there, differential. It's like something's missing, possibly up front here. But this is very, very basic. So no idea what that is. Like I said, put it in the comments if you know what that is. Got another one here. It's a little bit smaller scale. This one's a possibility on being fixed. I would just need to put a windshield on there. The tire is in here. The steering wheel's in there. Like I said, for now I'm just gonna leave this one off to the side. Let's see, there's some writing in here. Let's see if that's upside down there if I can see. It does say copyright 1954 in there. So it's on Cowland and Cowland. Okay, so that's what that is. So put that aside. Let's try this one right here. This one says missing the, so Rolls-Royce 1911 Cowland and Cowland, copyright 1953. So we're missing part of the windshield on the front here. This back part has come unglued. Missing the entire rear axle on it. I think there's some wheels floating around. So that's another one that's in my, okay, I gotta wait till I get a little bit better before fixing that one. Here we go. We got a Chrysler New Yorker. Not up on my Chrysler, so I don't know what year it is. Okay, there's so this is a Revell kit. So copyright by Revell. Can't see any other dates on there past that, but this one does have, hood comes off there, so kind of basic inside. It's missing all the glass on the side of it. Looks like the top has come off at one time, and then I got the front bumper that's coming off. So like I said, it's just missing the glass on it. A lot of these are either missing the glass or the windshield frame is messed up on it there. So then the last one must be, we've got another Triumph around here. This is the other one. You can see this one's in really rough shape. So we've got all the wheels here, the windshield, it's really messed up on it. Let's see what opens up. So the trunk opens up good. Got the spare tire in there, battery. Let's see what on the hood here. Okay, so got your engine. Let's see, looks like you did do plug wires on there, so got a straight 6 in there. So my stepdad did a little bit of detailing on that one. I said I'm not going to throw these away. I'm going to set them aside in a different spot. At least on this, got all the wheels for it. The exhaust there come off. I said it's just the biggest thing is the windscreen on this. And I got the back bumper. I'm missing the headlight here, so I have to keep an eye out for that. But that's it on the unrepairables. I think I got 1 or 2 models on just a regular cleanup left to do, and then a couple kits in the box. One of them's the 70 heavy Chevy. That one I'm going to actually put together because I'll show you photos of that car. It was my stepdad had a 70 Chevy. We sold it about 2 years ago. It was a custom coupe with a 400 small block in it. So it was just another car we had that we didn't need to keep. But the person who owns it now has restored it, so I'll have to get pictures of that so I can show you all before and after the full-size car, and then we'll go through and do the before and after on the model kit. But thank you for watching. Make sure you check out the Instagram page. I'm going to load up some detailed photos of these cars here so you can see them up close. Maybe you can get some of y'all to identify this green one here. And then I'll do some more, see if I can do some more research on these others. But thanks for watching.